It's Mama's birthday.
One, two, three. Happy birthday from the Arnold crew. We wish it was our birthday so we can party too. Hey, happy birthday! I'm missing the guy later, so I had to drop the voice.
Happy birthday, Mom. Take a bite of your ice cream. Now spit it everywhere.
Look at the camera and tell everybody how old you are.
I'm 60 years old.
I've seen your two devil teeth
And she
stick up.
And she can't wait to get her new check.
I know what?
Your new check from the government. Let me help you.
It'll hurt me, Marty.
Here, just
No, don't.
let me feed you one bite.
Let me feed you one bite.
No, you ain't putting
You gotta
that on
get
me.
used to that anyway.
He's not putting that on me.
He gonna put it on you.
Alright,
I
then
mean
if
it.
you won't let me do it, then rub on
No.
each of your cheeks.
That's not fun. Marty
I know.
has to do it. Don't let her eat her little cake and ice cream.
She
Yeah.
ain't got it all over her shirt.
Mama, why don't you tell us one good thing about being here for 60 years?
Yeah.
It's having you and Marty for my
It is? You don't miss Daddy? Does he get up?
That was gross.
I know, what I said it.
She looks so disappointed.
Please turn that off.
He probably does now, don't he? Because he's got him an 18-year-old.
That was a good one, Mama.
Fish. Just,
What's the matter? You
here,
disappointed in
just
your
put
kids?
your one,
No.
just put one of your teeth right there on that lens. Damn.
That's it. We're watching.